To download Farming Simulator 25 on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by going to Google and typing in Steam. Then click on the link that opens the Steam website. On the website, click Install Steam and select your platform, such as Windows. Then click Install Steam again. This will download the Steam setup to your computer. Click on the Steam setup and follow the installation prompts, including selecting your language and choosing a destination folder. Once Steam is installed, open it and create an account if you don't already have one, or log into your existing account. From the Steam store, click on the search bar and type in Farming, which should bring up Farming Simulator 25 as the first result. Click on the game, then scroll down to the purchase options. You can choose to buy the regular game or the Year 1 bundle. Select your preferred option and click on it. Then choose whether you want to buy it for your account or as a gift for someone else. Proceed to the payment section. Select your payment method, and complete the checkout process. Once you've bought the game, it will be added to your Steam library, which you can access by clicking Library and then Games. Select Farming Simulator 25 and click the Install button. Then choose your installation options, such as creating a desktop or start menu shortcut and selecting the drive where you want to install the game. After the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking the green Play button. The game will then launch, and you can start playing. Throughout the process, Steam will guide you through each step, making it easy to download and install Farming Simulator 25 on your PC or laptop.